Everybody, welcome or welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Yvonne Angeline, and in today's video I'll be showcasing a bedsitter that is going for 8,000 Kenyan shillings. Enjoy the video.
Father, you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real?
So this is the space of the bedsitter.
Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive.
The kitchen has been separated like this, so it looks like an open kitchen.
Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh.
So here is your kitchen area with provision of cabinets on top and the bottom.
I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Work for.
Your washroom on the right side, then your kitchen on the left side, and you have a small window provided in your kitchen area.
Gotta go all out whenever you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want.
Now let's have a look at your washroom. You have a sink inside your washroom.
I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel.
From here you can clearly see the space of your bedsitter.
All I feel. Break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want.
So this bedsitter is at the rooftop of this building, and you only have 4 houses on the floor.
Father, you should know I've been going solo. Want my love, baby, earn it. Yeah, dancing on my own. See if you can follow. Got me feeling alive. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, break my signs. Every time, let's be real, be real.
The bedsitter is going for 8,000 Kenyan shillings.
Be real, be real. I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Ooh, I do what I want.
And it's located in Saika, Kangundo Road.
Ooh, I do what I want. I want, I want, I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever
So check out more details about the house on the description box.
you see me. Don't be wasting my time. Watch me go, lose control. Is this real? All I feel, break my signs. Every time, let's be real.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
What I want. Ooh, I do what I want. Hear me now, I do what I want. Are you ready now? 'Cause it won't be easy. Only get what you work for. Gotta go all out whenever you see me.